So it was technicians, parts department, car washer, and detailer. We all shared one bathroom, and the bathroom was also the locker room. In this bathroom, there were only one urinal and 2 stalls. What does this mean? The bathrooms were always overloaded. The first stall was always the problematic one because it was like a cheap residential toilet. It was definitely not meant for the capacity for 4 departments worth of butts to sit on and use. As such, I remember either weekly or bi-weekly, that toilet would always be clogged. And guess who wanted to unclog the toilet? No one. This means that the bathroom was a biohazard for at least a week at a time. The toilet would be clogged with stuff. It became such a joke that people would get like printer paper and like draw like either a biohazard sign. I remember like poop with flies, or like danger, do not enter, or enter at your own risk. Like this was a haunted house or something. And so yeah, for like a full week, there'd be like a clogged, festering toilet. I was always curious like whose job it was really to manage the bathrooms. And because we had a detailer shift that worked late, I remember him telling me one time like, yeah, the night janitor lady goes in there, and when she sees the toilet, she just says, not my problem, and then just cleans the rest of the bathroom but leaves the toilet alone. And then I was like, all right, well, I get where she's coming from, and then also that's why our toilet is clogged for like week or weeks, plural, at a time. Also, we don't go into a biohazard condition in the small restroom because there's literally a clogged toilet festering for weeks at a time. So at a certain point, I became second lead at the dealer. It's been too long, I can't remember all those times who would actually unclog that toilet. But as second lead, I took it upon myself to just unclog the toilet. There was so many other things wrong with that dealership, working there as a technician, that I thought to myself, I don't need one more thing. I'm just gonna handle it myself. So, you know, as second lead, I would take it upon myself to unclog the toilet. Not only does it help me because I can use the bathroom now, but it helps everyone else in these 4 departments.